In this video, we're going to show you how you can make someone an admin in your Discord server. If you do find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for even more tutorials just like this. It really does help out the channel and helps us make more content. First things first, go ahead and find your server and actually click on your server name up at the very top and select server settings. After selecting this, on this left-hand menu over here, you're going to see an option that says roles. Go ahead and find that and open it up. From here, go ahead and find this little create role section and select that, and then name the role whatever you would like. In this case, I'm just going to choose something simple like admin, but you can change it to something different if that's what you would like. From here, you can customize the role color. I'm going to put it yellow just like so. And then if you like, go ahead and navigate to the permissions tab up at the very top and scroll down until you see the admin permissions. It should be an advanced permissions just like so, and go ahead and tick it on. Hit save changes just like so, and then go back to your server by exiting out of these settings. Find whatever person you would like to make admin. You can do this either by just locating it on the side, or you can specifically search through your member list and essentially find that person, click on them, and then choose this little add role section. Go ahead and click on it and then find that admin role that you did just create. I'm going to scroll down a little bit. As you can see, it's right here, and just go ahead and put it on. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. As you can see, I just made a bot an admin just because honestly, I don't trust the rest of y'all. But if you ever do want to remove the role, simply find that same profile and just click on that X and you're good to go. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more tutorials like this. Have a great day.